I'm Sharon.
And I'm Sharika. So today we're gonna do our holiday video.
Yay! Well, this year we're gonna do a neutral color palette for our entry. Yes, we are doing an entry. It's gonna be a neutral color palette, not the traditional reds and greens and blues.
I think we have enough reds and greens.
Yeah.
For the entry.
Look, she made me wear this. It was not my idea.
It's the holiday time.
But since we're doing a neutral color palette, we thought we will sort of pump up the volume on our decor, on our attire. So we're gonna add some books for some of our accessories that we're adding. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this really nice decorative book. So remember, you can use your books that you have. Just make sure that they're pretty and they coordinate. So adding some light. I'm bringing in this really nice texture lamp. Add some texture to our space.
As you go ahead and position that, I'm gonna go ahead and bring in, we have these tall glass vases.
Gorgeous. So we did.
So in these vases, we filled it with gold and silver holiday bulbs, and then we intermixed a little, what are those, periwinkle lights?
Twinkle lights here, and they're battery operated. So, you know, we sort of put a little double-sided tape on the back so it could be attached, and we just flip it around, and there you go. These are super easy to do. You can get some that's already pre-done, or you can just sort of wrap some old boxes. So these are so gorgeous. So gorgeous.
As soon as she saw those in the store, she's like, we have to use those. So that was kind of our starting point for this whole entry. And I'll bring the final tree in.
I just adjust as you go. You know, you can stand back, have a look, see what looks good to you, and you can edit or you can add.
And I will turn these on.
Oh my gosh, this looks so nice. Our homeowner is gonna be wow.
Yes.
Yeah.
So simple.
Yeah. So we're gonna add a few more finishing touches.
Adjust your bow as needed. And
Voila.
that's it.
So we wanted to add one more element. So we got the top done. We got a really nice center. So we thought, even though this is a gorgeous table, we thought, well, let's add something that make it feel like a winter wonderland.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you can do this at home. Very simple. So we're gonna go ahead and add these really fluffy polar bear skin throws to make like a winter wonderland at the bottom, just to add a little bit of warmth, you know, and some texture and some layering, an unexpected element to this space. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and hope you guys got some really good tips
On how to elevate your entry for the holidays.
That's right.
Thank you so much, and we'll see you soon.
So today we're going to do a traditional wreath in contrast with our
Glam entry.
So we're going to start with a nice fluffy wreath. So what we're going to do is just sort of fluff it out, make it, you know, look real. There we go, it's nice and fluffy. So just figure out where you want your top and bottom to be. Once you figure that out, then we'll go. So what I'm taking is, I'm gonna just decide this is gonna be my bottom. So just gonna take some ribbon, just play with it. There's no wrong or right. It's just how you like it. Just tuck it in between, rolling as you go. It's That's right, Sharika, you got it. Anyone can do this. This is a really good DIY project for you, your kids. Get the hubby involved. You can see I'm taking the little branches and just playing to tucking, and just holding these down so they will keep them secure. So our next layer is going to add some balls. And these have these little clips on them. There you go.
So nice.
Just simple, and you can add and make it as zhushy as you want. There you go.
We decided to do a twist on a traditional wreath by using 2 metal rings.
So we're going to attach them together using floral tape. Let's see how this works.
This is the first for us, so you guys are doing this the first time with us today.
So special. I'm just gonna do about an inch and a half. Sharika comes up with these brilliant ideas, and then I have to figure out how to execute it.
Yeah.
I don't know what that's about.
You're a smarty pants.
Well, today I don't want to be a smarty pants. I'll leave that for you. Okay, let's see how this works. You may or may not need to add some more. Let's see how that works.
Okay. So we are going to
Attempt to attach
these ornaments.
These oversized cherries.
So I'm gonna hold it here and I'm gonna wrap it around the largest ring.
That way you get some support and not pulling the smaller ring from the tape. That's a good idea. You sure you haven't done this before?
First time for everything.
It's looking nice.
Okay, so far, this is where we are.
Oh, see?
So we're just gonna curve these down. I like that these are made out of wire because you can just sculpt it whichever way you need it.
Just like a little avant-garde wreath.
Yes.
Let's call it that. She's such a little genius.
So, I'm glad I got her on camera saying that. Oops. Okay, so we're almost there.
Almost there. You're so strong, baby girl. There you go. It's looking good. See, I didn't even have to be here.
I'm gonna get the, I'm gonna grab this ribbon that's in the same color palette while she's finishing attaching that.
See what happens, right? I always get the hook. Oh, there you go. That looks beautiful. I did it. It was my idea. I'll just take it. This was my idea.
Okay, so now we're gonna add a little length.
Looks good.
That's really pretty.
Oh, that's the front.
We're gonna add a little length by attaching this somewhere. Ribbon somewhere.
And you just play with it. There is no perfect, there's no wrong, there is no right.
Okay. So we did something here. And you guys can decide how you guys are feeling this or not.
It's just to take something unusual, something that's unexpected,
All right,
and
let's
make
see.
something. Oh, looky.
There you go. There you go. And then you just adjust if you need to adjust.
So we're gonna show this to you on a door and then you could decide. So we're gonna have this one on the interior doors because it's more, fragile. And the green traditional one, we're gonna put on the outside of the door.
All right, here we go. Here we go.
Well, let us know.